Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What I wanted to do in this video is just show you all some more Happy Meal that I got. I know I said I was going to stop spending, but I purchased this before I actually said that, so this don't count. Anywho, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and hit that red notification bell. Is it red? No, I don't know. Y'all, I am tired. So let's see what Happy Meal we have first. So I know that this is from Kathy over at Kathy Cash and Coins. Let me see if there's anything in it. No. So there's that. Uh-oh. Oh, look at the dogs. Oops. Yeah, I didn't expect that. So here's a sticker. Well, one sticker. Oh my freaking goodness, it's Ed, Ed, and Eddie. I love this cartoon when I was growing up. Love changes everything. And it does. And we have a L buck and a D buck. Let's see what this card say. I wanted to thank you for always supporting. Congrats on the giveaway win in my 2K. 2K. I'm definitely not thinking about the football game. Anywho, win in my 5K giveaway. Have a wonderful summer. Your friend Kathy. Oh, Kathy, thank you so much. And this is what the card looks like. So I'm going to put this back in the card for now. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and open this one. And this is from Amanda Budgets. And she just sent it via snail mail. So we have her $85 beach scratch off. And then I got her stereo scratch off. So track 1, do what you can with what you got. And track 2 says you can only work with what you can, which is so true. And this is for $80. Of course, the other is for $85. So we have those to add to the collection. Next, I want to do this one. So the next two were the ones that were kind of crammed into the mailbox. So hopefully they're okay. So warning, open this package will cause extreme happiness. Let's see what I got. This is also from Janelle. So, okay, that's totally fine. I didn't show my address this time. Let's see if I can get it off. Okay. Oh, dang. I forgot one thing from Temu, so I'll put that in the previous video. I'll just re-record it. So we have this cute little paper clip. We have this. That was one of her Oopsies sales. So this one just say, hello, thank you for your order. You made our day. We hope you have a lovely day and see you again soon, with a little scratch off. And you can find her there. So all of these were random since they were Oopsies. And I want to start with these first. So we have Get Your Sloth On. One sloth equals $5 for $100 total. Aren't they cute? And then we have a beauty scratch off. So when I finish this one, I will get or have saved 50 bucks. Oh my goodness. I opened this yesterday and I guess this was stuck to another one. Oh my goodness. I did not see this. Oh, all of my favorite characters. Favorite cartoon characters. Made in the 90s. Susie, Angelica, the Powerpuff Girls, the Rugrats. The Magic School Bus, Hey Arnold, Cat Dog, Mario. Oh my goodness. I don't want to scratch this off, Janelle. I'm going to save this once I finish with it. Then we have Christmas Savings Challenge for $300. We have a mystery tic-tac-toe. So I was looking at this one and was trying to figure out, would I do each X equal a certain amount? Is that how that's supposed to go? Somebody help me out, because y'all know I don't know. So we have this one, elephant challenge, and for these 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 12 18. So I would do 18 times $1 or $2 or what have you. And then we have this one. Yes, this was a oopsie. So we have January on this side and a mystery bonus on the other side. I do have a hole puncher, so I can punch this myself. And then we have this one, which it looks like a mystery, so I don't know how much we'll end up saving. And then we have Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. I don't know how much this one equals up to, but it sure is cute. And last, we have Stitch. Isn't he cute? Or as my niece would say, "Aw, he's so cute." And I'm just going to get a screenshot of that. And lastly, we have this one here. So I'm going to add that in. And this is from Elba. Let's see what she sent. And I don't want to get these mixed up. Okay, so it looks like Elba has her name on hers. Why I can't talk today? Y'all, I'm tired. So we have a self-care challenge to save $75. We have a camping savings challenge to save $60. We have a vacation challenge to save $75. And we have a card. Let's see what she said. Ooh, look. Hi, Desiree. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching my playlist. You are such a sweetheart. I sent some of my I sent you some of my a song scratch off challenges, my Panther and Ghosty challenges. I'm obsessed with cats. So Elba, she loves cats, and she do have a cat named Panther and Ghosty, and they are so cute. Also, she said I sent some of my digital challenges, and I hope you love them. Once again, thank you, Elba. Elba, thank you. So I'm going to put that with this one. So, Dreaming of You Savings Challenge for $300. We have El Chacho de Apartmento. Is that right? Somebody tell me, is that right? Did I say that right? El Chacho de Apartmento. Is that right? So, instead of saving a large amount of money, we're going to either save 5, 10, 15, or 20 bucks. For this one, Dame on Biso. Okay, I think I just messed it up completely. But we're saving $300. Ghosty Snacks savings for 120 bucks. Aww. We have Panther saves, 130. Oh, isn't this cute? So we have all of these. And let me see if I can get some sort of a thumbnail. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And don't forget to like and subscribe.